The market chops lower as it decides what's next. Should we still be looking for a pullback? This is Invest with Jacob. Okay, guys, so the market chopped lower yesterday and appears to be filling out that bigger wave 4 pattern down toward 3,900 to 3,937 that we talked about in yesterday's video. From there, we would expect support to hold and a wave 5 higher towards the 4,150 range. The question is, will support hold? I'll get into that in just one second, but first, if you're new here, welcome to the show, guys. My name is Jacob Gabbard, and this is Invest with Jacob, where we use Elliott wave theory to break down the S&P 500 and the NASDAQ. I highly encourage you to hit that subscribe button down below so that you can get our daily S&P updates, our trade setups, and our buy alerts. All right, guys, with the choppy move down, it does look like the bigger wave 4 may be playing out. So let's jump into the chart and take a look. Okay, guys, so here we are on the 1-hour futures chart for the S&P 500. As you can see, we got the sell down and chop all day here sideways. They tried to break through 3960 several times and could not do it, this A wave low here, but I do expect them to do it and move lower based on this overall pattern down here. It's not very impulsive, so you would not expect them to extend to new highs before they break this low. So how this tracks is we've got a wave A down, a wave B up, and we're looking for a wave C down into that 3937 to 3900 area, which is the 382 to 0.5 retrace, which are common wave 4 targets. From there, we would expect a 5-wave move up toward the 4150 to 4180 level. And from there, we would look to see what kind of pullback we get to see if we're in that bigger wave C down towards the 2900 to 2500 levels. Now, if they can't hold this support down here in the 3900 range, then we'd be looking at a potential bigger ABC setup where instead of this being the C wave completion that we're trying to get, this move up from the lows, this would be wave A, and then we'd be tracking wave B lower where this is A, B, C for A of B, and you'd get an A, B, and then this would go off the screen down towards 3,700, okay, in a C wave. So you'd have ABC down, and that would be your B wave. So you have A up to where this 3 is, then you'd have B down towards 3,700, and then you'd have a C wave up towards 42 to 4,300, which challenges that August high, and would also be a strong B wave target of the overall bigger pattern that we've been tracking. So really the 3,900 level is what we're watching. Above that, and we're still bullish up towards 4,150 to 4,180. Below that, we're looking at the B wave down towards 3,700. Now, they do have the potential, and I say potential because it's not a very good one and it's not a very clean one, but they do have the potential to have a 1 and then an expanded B wave here, and then a 2 down because they haven't broken this low. So they have the potential to have a 1, 2, and then try to go directly up from here, okay, and keep this smaller wave 4 alive. But I don't think that's going to happen based on this structure, as I said. So not very likely they take this directly higher towards 4,150 to 80. I mean, they can push up and make this pattern a little different, but I doubt they take out this high before taking out this A wave low. So the two main patterns that we're tracking, guys, are the ABC down into the 3,900 to 3,937 area, and then a push up towards 4,150 to 80. Or if they break 3,900, then we're looking at a bigger B wave down towards 3,700 before we see support hold and a push back towards 42 to 4,300. Over on the NASDAQ, again, very similar patterns playing out where you're looking at this A, B, C to complete down here in this wave 4. You'd like it to hold this 11,650 level. It can go as low as 11,563, but the 11,650 level is really where we're looking for it to hold. And then from there, we'd look for this wave 5 up towards the 12,490 region to complete that move. If they cannot hold this 11,563 level, then we would expect this to extend lower down towards the 11,100 level down here. And then you would expect a bigger move up. So that would essentially make this an A, B, C up towards 13,000 plus, which would challenge the August highs, and then we would look for that C wave sell-off from that point. So a couple different patterns on both charts that we're tracking. We're looking for them to hold support for this circle wave 4 on both charts. However, if that support doesn't hold, then we're looking for a deeper B wave on both charts. Guys, if you like the information that I put out in these videos and you want real-time market updates from me, you need to check out investwithjacob.com. There's a link down in the description. Go ahead and click that link and it will take you right over to the website. Once you're there, check out our membership plans area. We have 2 incredible plans and they both come with a 7-day free trial because I want you to get in there, make sure you love it, and become part of our trading team before you ever spend a penny. And yes, I said trading team because everybody in there works together for everybody else's success. And you can cancel at any time. Okay, in our first room, the Invest with Jacob room, you get all of my real-time market updates, all of my buy and sell alerts, all of your Elliott Wave questions answered, as well as my midday video where I give a live video of the chart and where we're at during the day. We trade the SPY and the QQQ, and we swing trade, which means our trades can last anywhere from a few days to a few months, so we don't trade quite as often as a day trading room does. However, if you are interested in day trading as well as individual stocks, you need to check out PT's Throne Room. In there, you get everything you get in the Invest with Jacob room, as well as individual stocks, day trading, and PT's reduced risk binary method that just crushes the market. He gets you in at a small price and gets you huge multiples on your money, and it's how he structures the trade that's so unique. You kind of have to see it to understand it, and that's another reason we give you that 7-day free trial. He also started a challenge account where he put $4,000 into an account, trading mini ES futures, averaging 3 to 4% gains per week, showing you how to build a small account into a large retirement or savings account. Guys, we would love to have you in these rooms so we can all make money together. All right, key takeaways for today. We're looking for support to hold in that 3937 to 3900 area for this circle wave 4, and then we would look for a strong move up off of that. However, if they cannot hold that area, we are looking for a bigger B wave down towards 3700 before we see the C wave higher up towards 42 to 4300. Over on the NASDAQ, same type of setup. We are looking for wave 4 support to hold at the 11650 to 11563 area. However, if they cannot hold that support, we would look for a bigger B wave down into the 11100 area before seeing a C wave higher up toward the 13,000 plus area. Guys, that is the market update for today. I will talk to you tomorrow.